I need a haircut bad, bro. I need a haircut, man. Alright, it's 10 a.m. God damn, I'm going Super Saiyan, bro. I'm gonna get some coffee because I just woke up. I usually do this when I wake up. I just either walk into the city and get a cup, or I take the car and I go to a nearby Starbucks. I don't have a speaker installation in my car yet, so I'm using this speaker. And I'm also start upgrading the car a little bit, you know, at least make it more comfortable and make it a little swag. Perhaps do some main channel uploads on there, on this car, do some funny things with it. Today I'm training back. Bro, look at this beauty, man. God damn. You already know I be skirting in this whip, bruh. Alright, boys, I got my little morning juice. This is a big ass cup. I'm probably gonna hit a workout right when I get home, so I don't need any pre-workout. I'm gonna just take some pump products like citrulline, maybe a little bit of butthole itch juice. I like doing this. I like doing this because then when I wake up, I go out the house, I just get a coffee and I return, or for whatever I go out the house for. I leave the house when I get back. So like I start my day by just getting out of the house. It's weird, but I like it. It's like I'm going to my job, but I'm going back home. Yeah, it's kind of dumb because I also have an office. I'll only have for 2 more months. Actually 1 more month. I canceled it because I've just been paying like almost $1,000 a month for like a year and a half, and I didn't really go, so kind of a waste of money. Kind of like splurged a little bit extra cash on there. Like, yeah, if you think about it, I spent like $14,000 on that, and I went there like for a week. I gotta be a little bit smarter with my money in 2022 because I have the mindset where I feel like I can make money by making more money, but there's also a mindset where you can make money by not spending money. I don't really like that, but I shouldn't, that doesn't mean I should just like do dumb shit. So that's something I gotta watch more in 2022. Other than that, I think the new year is complete bullshit. Happy New Year though. Not really a big fan of putting new challenges up to a new year. I get it, like it's a fresh start. It's like a communicative energy that a lot of people are doing new things and are gonna try new things, and 99.9% will fail, but fuck it. Everybody watching right now, you're not gonna fail because you're watching this video for a reason, bro. No way you're failing your goals. Just set them, and you shouldn't have set them on December 31st. You already had them. You're already working on your shit. You were already on your shit, just like me. I'm, by the way, my goal is accomplished. It's not that I'm gonna quit, but I hadn't drank and smoked in like 3 months now. I haven't, hadn't, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna continue doing that because I really don't look forward, don't want to do it. I don't like the lifestyle. Drugs of choice is just some coffee, pre-workout. No vaping anymore either. It's been like 3 weeks, feeling good. Had some withdrawal of it, like just, I don't know, felt under the weather basically, but I'm doing good now. Might start some steroids soon, bro. Instead of all these drugs, I'm gonna start taking some drugs that are gonna make me look big as fuck. So I'm about to hit a workout. I'm gonna go for a leg workout today, and here's my pre-workout supplements that I use if I don't want to take pre-workout. I just have like citrulline malate here, and it's actually gotten fucked up over the time. It's like super hard, like it's not powder anymore. But I'll just weigh it out and put it in here. I'll go for anywhere between like 6 and 10 grams, which I think is fine for citrulline. For the malate at least, like it's not pure citrulline, it's malate. I think this should do it. Yeah, there you go, about 7 grams. So for the shits and giggles, I'm gonna add some Beta-Alanine. This is way too much, so let me just weigh out like 2 grams or something. I don't want my butthole to itch. There you go, about 2 grams. Now I'm just gonna throw that in this cup over here. There you go. I'm also adding a scoop of creatine, which is flavored. There you go. I don't know what flavor this is. This is fruit punch, and I will be adding some testosterone in here as well, which is just gonna make it look absolutely delicious. See how this looks? Doesn't this look like something you would want to drink? Come on, bro. Pure games. Honestly, it's not even that bad because the fruit punch is taken over. And the only bad thing about this would be the citrulline's kind of sour, citrusy, and the beta-alanine doesn't have a taste. Testosterone kind of tastes like earth. As I already had this big ass cup of coffee this morning, I don't need any caffeine right now. I'm gonna hit some legs. Yeah, I'm gonna hop on a little program. I'm gonna be wearing the Romelios. These just, if you don't know, they're like elevated shoes and they're really flat from the bottom. So they really help you with stabilizing when doing squats. And for me personally, like I have a little bit of a problem getting depth on my squats, and these shoes really help because you're already, instead of in this position, your feet are like more like this because they're heels. So for me, it's easier to hit depth. Oh damn, I can't stop flexing. Let's do a little warm-up set. When I'm in the gym, I usually do hex squats because I don't know, I don't really fuck with regular squats, but now I'm at home, I have to train at home. Obviously, I'm just doing regular squats and it's just gonna take some time for me to get back into them because my form isn't too good, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get them done. Let's load up the bar. The program I'm using right now is by Gabe Deitch, another YouTuber you might know. It says I should do 115 kgs for 3 sets of 7 reps. That's because my PR on squats is about 160 kilograms for 1 rep. It's not about, it is what I hit. But I won't be able to do 115 for 7 reps at the moment because I haven't just done squatting in a while. I keep the weight about like 100 or 80. I'm currently on 80 kilograms. I'm just gonna take it easy and not fucking injure myself. 225 or 100 kg does not feel that good. It was a pretty good workout. I'm currently eating some post-workout here. I've got 3 eggs with 250 grams of egg whites. And then here I made some DIY cream of rice. I just put it in the blender, like 90 grams. And then stirred it up with some soy sauce in there. So that's gonna be my post-workout meal. My legs hurt, bro. My legs hurt from the workout. But I'm out here in the woods going for a little walk. My camera's blurry, yeah, but that's nothing new. All right, here we go. We're in focus now, boys. Look at all these trees, man. This shit kind of crazy, bro. They really took the trees out of a video game and made them into a real thing. I can't believe it. I cannot believe this shit. You can't make it up either, man. For real though, I like going on walks.